In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wayfair products to a Shopify store tutorial. We'll start by choosing the right product. On Wayfair, pick an item that fits your store's style and target customer. Check that it's in stock, ships to your market, and has clear dimensions, weight, materials, and variant options like color or size. Read a few reviews to spot common questions or issues you can address in your listing. Compare the Wayfair price to your target retail price to confirm a healthy margin, factoring in shipping and any fees. Save high-quality images and note key specs. Always make sure you have permission to use product content and that your listing follows supplier policies. Next, log into your Shopify admin. Go to Products, then select Add Product. This opens a blank product page where you'll build your listing. Now add the product details. Enter a concise, searchable title that reflects what customers would actually type, such as the product type plus a defining feature. In the description, summarize the main benefits first, then include materials, dimensions, care instructions, what's included, and any assembly notes. Aim to rewrite the copy in your own words for clarity and SEO rather than pasting it verbatim. Upload the images you saved, make the strongest one your main image, and add short, descriptive alt text so accessibility and search are covered. Set your price and use compare at price if you want to show a markdown. If you track costs, enter your costs so Shopify can calculate margins. If the item has options, enable variants, add each option value, and keep SKUs organized. Let's set inventory and shipping. Turn on track quantity if you plan to manage stock in Shopify, otherwise leave it off for on-demand fulfillment. Assign a unique SKU, barcodes are optional. Under shipping, check. This is a physical product, enter an accurate weight, and for bulky items, add package dimensions so calculated rates are more accurate. Choose the shipping profile and rates you already use for similar products and reflect any longer lead times or freight requirements in the delivery message. Organize the product so customers can find it. Choose a product category and type, set the vendor you use internally, and add helpful tags. Add it to an existing collection or rely on automated rules you've already set. Review the search engine listing preview and refine the title and meta description with your primary keywords. Finally, publish. Set the status to active, choose the sales channels where it should appear, and click Save. Preview the page on desktop and mobile, test the images, variants, shipping info, and add to cart flow, then make any quick edits. Your Wayfair product is now live in your Shopify store.